morning everyone. Now today I'm on the lower field and I thought I'd come to the lower field because over the last few weeks you've all been doing your races at home. We couldn't have our special sports day this year in school, so I sent all the races out to you and I've seen you all practicing them. So you will have received your very special certificate at home, and I wanted to say today congratulations. Well done everyone for your fantastic work in your races and PE. Now, wow moments next. Let's see who's got a wow moment this week, who's been working hard at home and in school. First of all, we've got Theo. Theo has done some excellent work in his potty training. Well done to Theo. Then we've got Sudan. Sudan has done wonderful work in all areas of learning. We've got Zachariah and Aisha, and they have done really well in following our new special routines in school, so well done to both of them. Next we've got Adam. Adam has done some excellent phonics work, so well done Adam. We have Luke and Amira. Now Luke and Amira have been trying so hard with their handwriting, trying to form all the letters correctly and making their handwriting very neat. Well done to both of them. We have Ibrahim. Now Ibrahim has made a fantastic picture about keeping beaches clean, and he also did a wonderful talk about it. Well done to Josh Hill. Josh Hill did a wonderful picture about keeping safe in the sun. And finally this week we've got Jovan. And Jovan has been working so hard on lots of different maths challenges. So well done Jovan.